Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Jennifer, and welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time that you are chiming in with us, I thank you and welcome. And if you are a return viewer, I appreciate you so very much. And if you don't mind, just click down on that subscriber button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so that next time that I post a video, you'll be the first to know. So with no further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So we're just gonna do a quick short, it's a mini haul plus some, the outcome of my candy baskets or my candy bouquets, okay? So with no further ado, let's get started. And this is just to show you guys how easy it is to benefit from miscommunication or bad service. So, DSW situation I had, bad customer service, I reported it. And I got a $25 gift card, right? So I go in the store and I go to clearance. And this is what we find, right? This is a mug, stainless steel, 60% off. I got a couple of these. It's regularly $17. These protective covered AirPods, 60% off. Regularly, I don't know if you can see that, like 10 bucks. The nails, this was free because I had points. So they had another one. This was $9.98. Boom. This was like 5 bucks. All these items were 60% off. Out of pocket, I paid $2.50. And that's that. So let's move on to our candy bouquets. I did these yesterday. And these are homemade bowls that I produced myself. And I just did like 4 of them. I'll probably do some more. This one says hot to it. It's an airhead. The first one was warhead. Then we have another airhead. And I made these bags as well. And I just used the margarita glass for this one. Then we have a Mike and Ike. See the bowls? And the bags. And yeah, guys. Let's move on to our next item. Hey guys, I just want to also take a moment to give a shout out to Birthing Bosses with Felicia. Because it was with her instruction and watching a video or 2 of hers that I think I have mastered bow making. So I don't know if you can see it, but I have been practicing and I think I've got it. Thank you, and that's a shout out because it does make presentation different, right? I had been buying bows, spending money on bows, not just buy ribbon. And because I have always been kind of crafty, I had plenty of ribbon. But yep, these are my little bows. I'm so proud of myself. Even with this little, I don't know what you call this. But yeah, guys, I'm just going to be using different materials, making different bows. Made this too. And so what we're going to do now is I have a, we're going to call it an unboxed basket. And it's 2-sided. I'm going to show you what it looks like now. Right? That's one side. That's a 2-sided basket. Got us a Judy Moody book. Bunch of treats and snacks on it. With embellishments, there's some bath fizz balls, polish, hair scrunchies, shampoo, conditioner, There's some temporary hair color, etc. So in a minute, it's gonna look totally different, guys. Give me a second.